For our project, we wanted something both fun and interactive. We ended up finding an Instructable for an interactive LED table and thought that a wall-mounted adaptation of this would be cool. We had to cut down the code to be a little bit more manageable for this class, as well as change the Bluetooth remote to an IR sensing remote. As you can see, scrolling on the screen is the menu where it displays the different options you can choose from. This includes 4 games and 2 animations. You can choose and play these with the IR remote, which are shown now.